Rodilla, my sweet loving wife. We biked Germany together after 35 years of marriage. We'll explore the Rhine River, Koblenz, Bonn, Dusseldorf and Munster. We'll share 100 castles together. Biking 1,000 miles, no one can imagine what we do together, forever. Rodilla, you're always by my side as we journey across Europe together. Good times and hard times we adventure together. Rainy days, cold days, glorious days. I couldn't trade even one day. Just being with you makes every day the best, the best. Rodilla, my sweet loving wife, we bike Europe together after 35 years of marriage. No one can ever except us who have journeyed together and loved together. Love together. Always together. 1,000 miles and beyond.